Good morning, guys. AV Trades here today, and a little different of a video. I am currently driving to pick something up. It is currently Saturday. It is 9:50 in the morning. So took the day off from the gym today. It's good to rest at least one day. So I work out 6 days out of the 7, and then I pick between Saturday or Sunday which day I want to take off. This week I decided to take off Saturday, so I'll be in the gym tomorrow morning at 6 in the morning. But a message I wanted to tell you guys is, man, like, please start practicing self-development the earliest possible wherever you are in life right now. It doesn't matter, bro. You could be successful right now. You could, not be successful right now. But the sooner you start practicing good habits, bro, I feel like the further in life you will get sooner. So no matter what stage of life you're at, you're still constantly wanting something, right? There's still that next goal. There's still that next thing that you want, right? It's just how life works, bro. We're humans. It's in our nature to always want, more. So whatever it is that more could be, whether it's materialistic, whether it ain't, whether it's love, whether it's family, doesn't matter what it is, you will get there so much quicker if you adapt better habits. I don't know if you have bad habits right now, but I know we live in a world where most people do. And what are bad habits, right? Procrastination is a bad habit. Settling for less than your full potential is a bad habit, bro. You're literally your biggest enemy. Your mind sometimes is your biggest enemy. Just because you drown yourself in your thoughts because, oh, those around me don't believe in me. My family don't believe in me. I have no support. I'm alone. This, the third, bro. There's people out there that have it so much worse than you, and they still wake up every day and put a foot forward. You know what I'm saying? There's people out here right now in this world that are getting told right now as we speak. You know what I mean? Literally, as I'm recording this video, probably getting told right now, hey man, you have a few months left of life. So they know their light is about to shut off soon. They know that everything's about to come to an end. Meanwhile, bro, you're just procrastinating. You're just, drowning yourself in your own thoughts, bro. At the end of the day, the road to the top is quite lonely, they say, but it really shouldn't be. There is a way of not making it lonely. How do you not make it lonely? By surrounding yourself with people that are on the same path that you are. Nobody's always on the same path by themselves. There's other people around that are also on that path. You just don't see them, right? What do I mean? Sometimes we think that those people that are around us right now in that moment are going to be the same people that are going to be around us 10 years from now. I'll be honest with you, bro. Like, where I'm from, for those that don't know, I'm from Patterson, New Jersey. You guys can look it up. Raised since I was literally legit, And bro, back over there, like, I had friends. I don't have none of those friends anymore. Why? Because simply I was just on a different life purpose and a different life journey. But guess what? I found other people that were on that same journey throughout the way, and I ended up, molding with those people. And, now we're friends. Now I have a new friend group, So sometimes we think that those around us, we have to bring them up. And I'll be honest with you, like, I know it sucks to say, but not everybody is meant to be where you are. Not everybody's meant to go on the same journey that you're meant to go. Everybody has their own purpose in this life. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, I know it sucks to hear that, but it's just reality, bro. It's just life. You know what I mean? That's another thing, bro. Like, I feel like we live in a world where a lot of people are very soft, soft when it comes to feelings. Everything is, their feelings get hurt, this, the third. And it's like, yes, your feelings should get fucking hurt, because that's when you actually realize, you know what, bro, I need to change. You know what I mean? Like, I wasn't always this AB that you guys are seeing here today. I wasn't, you know what I mean? Like, I was a crash out ass kid, call it as it is. You know what I mean? For those that don't know what crash out is, look it up. Like, I literally gave no fucks about life. I used to walk around telling people, bro, I'll shoot you right now, go to jail for 10 years and come out still young. Ha ha ha. Like, I used to joke about that type of shit because I really generally had nothing to lose, bro. I didn't care. Like, I literally had zero care in the world until, I started realizing, bro, that is the complete opposite mindset to have. The more negative your mindset is, the more negative things you're going to attract. So I little by little started self-educating myself into having, a better mindset, being more positive in life. There's always a positive in every situation. We just sometimes bury ourselves in the negative. You know what I mean? Like for example, if right now I'm at a red light currently, right? So you guys see here, I'm on a red light right now, right? Let's say, God forbid, I'm crossing this light right now, boom, and a car hit me. I know the negative right away is, oh, my car, blah, blah, blah. But what if I was supposed to get stopped here because something worse was going to happen down the street? You know what I mean? So there's always a positive in everything. That's why you have car insurance. It is what it is. As long as we're both okay health-wise, as in like you didn't get hurt, I didn't get hurt, we're both alive, hey bro, insurance will cover this shit and that's it. Keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? So that like there's always a positive in everything, but us humans, we tend to bury ourselves in the negatives, and that's why we become our own enemies. So please don't be that way. Please change your mind, change your habits. You know, we live in a world where everybody vapes. Everybody's always out drinking, getting fucked up drunk. And it's like, bro, there's no need for absolutely any of that. If you generally build a life that you love, a life that you enjoy, a life that you're proud of, there's nothing to escape. Call it as it is, bro. Like, because I used to be one of those guys that went out on the weekends with my boys, got fucked up, blasted, $10,000, $20,000 at a club, fucked up drunk, don't remember nothing, right? Why? Because I was literally in a hole mentally. Did I speak about it? No, because at the end of the day, we're men. We get through that. And that's at least my type of character is. I don't sit here, complain, whine. I just get over it, bro. I don't care. I move on. You know what I'm saying? So when you getting fucked up drunk like that, it's because you want to escape your reality. Call it as it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're generally happy of where you are in life, you're generally happy with everything that's going on around your life, you don't want to, you know, black out to the point where you don't remember it. You don't, because you generally want to enjoy and remember every single moment because you've built a life that you generally love. So, you know, please, bro, if you're one of those people and you're watching this video, man, I'm telling you right now, bro, please change your habits, please change your mindset, and I promise you, all those things you want, whether they're materialistic, whether they, you know, life-wise, does not matter what it is, you will attract them so much quicker. Because even those around you, let's say what you want is not materialistic, that's fine, right? Let's say what you want is to get closer to a kid of yours that you're probably distant with, you know, a son, a daughter, your mom, your dad, whatever the case may be, right? Maybe you're pushing them away because they see all those negative habits, they see that negative mindset, and it pushes them away. So you starting to change that might just get you closer to that, you know? So whether it's that materialistic thing, you want that car, for example, bro, you changing your habits, you changing your mindset, you will start to see how business-wise, work-wise, you start performing so much better, which by default will cause you to achieve whatever materialistic thing it is that you want so much faster. So if you're watching this video, please listen to what I'm saying. I know I might be young, but I don't, like, age to me is just a number. You know, I think we live based on experience, and I've lived a pretty wild life, you know. Just a little background story for those that, you know, are new watching this video and you do not know me, bro. So I started working at corner stores in New Jersey, which is where I'm from, at 12 years old. Moved out my house around 15, 16 years old while I was in high school. You know what I mean? Moved out my house, started doing my own thing. I always reselling sneakers, started working at corner stores since 12, literally, bro, for $300 a week while going to school. You know what I mean? By the time kids were in high school, graduating this to third, bro, I'm over here paying bills. I'm over here trying to figure life out. I'm over here hustling in the streets. I've been personal trainers. I've worked valet parking. I've towed cars. That was my last job before I found trading. I've towed cars. I've done everything you could possibly think of to survive. My whole life has been survival mode, call it as it is. You know, so trust me, I could speak to you from experience. And now I am here today, 24 years old. You know what I mean? And I don't live the perfect life, bro. But I'll be honest with you, like, I make 7 figures a year. You know, I have all the freedom in the world. I don't need to clock in to nobody. You know, I generally build the schedule that I want. I've built the life that I want. I'm able to go to the gym at whatever time I want, do whatever it is that I want. I want to go have lunch with my friends, business partners, girlfriend, whatever it is to me. I could do that. Does not matter. I could go to any restaurant, any trip. I'm blessed enough to have nice things. This is a $200,000 car, brand new off the year. And I have another 6-figure car parked in my house at 24 years old. No parents, no handouts, no none of that. Just simply dedication, hard work, and understanding that, bro, it all falls back on you. So the moment you start taking accountability of your life, that's when it's going to change. It's not going to change miraculously because, oh, I'm just praying here to God. Yes, praying is a great thing, but you also got to put in your part so God could put in his part. You know what I mean? The moment you start understanding that, your whole life will change. So this is just a message I want to give you guys. You know, if you guys enjoy this channel, please subscribe, like, comment down below, share this with friends, and I have a lot more content coming for you guys all around. I know I'm a trader, but I'm more than just a trader, bro. You know what I mean? I want to change people's life generally, and I feel like when I speak to people like this, I'm able to hit a certain point that it relates because I'm just like you. I come from the same place you come from. I come from nothing, bro. You know what I mean? And I'm building something, and I'm just getting started, I promise you. You know, so I'm documenting everything on this YouTube channel because I know 5-10 years down the road, on top of the 5 years that I've already put into this journey, I will be at a completely different level, looking back at these videos and being like, damn, the purpose was always there. So I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week, however you guys, you know, whenever it is you're watching this. I love you all. Peace.